Hello dear student, I am Ravindra Kumar, your mathematics teacher. Today we will discuss on class 5th subject mathematics. Now, you already know that your chapter number 2 is completed. Okay, now we will discuss on chapter number 3. It's called multiplication and division. Now, topic name. We will start with multiplication of 3-digit number by standard method. You already learnt about the standard method of multiplication. One number digit and second number digit. Now we will discuss in this way of 3 number digit. Okay, by standard method. How to do multiplication by standard method, you all know. Now we will discuss on one example. If you suppose that your father have a restaurant, and one day you went to the restaurant. एक दिन आप गए अपने पिताजी के रेस्टोरेंट में और आपने देखा 26 people had food, खाना खा रहे थे. 26 people had food. How many people? 26 people had food. Now, you already know that the one plate cost of food is 125. 125 of plate. One plate cost is 125 and 26 people had food already. Now, you can continue with your mind equation that how much money all the 26 people have paid. How much money? What we will find with process, we will multiply all these number. Now, you can see that the 125 is bigger than 26. 125 is bigger than 26. Now, in the standard method of multiplication, we will take the bigger number on the above part of multiplication. Like 125 is above part of the multiplication. Now the smaller number is 26. We will take the below part of multiplication like 26. And then we will solve with the standard method of multiplication. We will find the resultant. Now the first number we will take the multiplicand. What we will call first above number is we will take multiplicand, and then second number we will call multiplier, and what resultant we will find, we will call the product. Okay, now you see the 2 number digit on your previous classes. You can discuss. Now second things, उसी एग्जाम्पल को रनिंग करते हुए आप पूरे दिन अपने पिताजी के रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे, पूरे दिन, वन डे, एंड आपने कैलकुलेट किया कि पूरे डेज में हाउ मेनी पीपल्स गो एंड टेक फूड. देन यू विल काउंट दैट 325 people. 325 people had food in your father's restaurant. Okay, now your counting is 325 people, and you already know that the one plate cost is 125. Now what we will do to count the how much money you earn. Now you can see that the biggest number, greater number is 325 and smallest number is 125. Now 325 is above part of multiplication, and then 125 is below part of multiplication. This is your standard method. Now in your standard method, you can continue with the 3 number digit. 1, 2 and 3. 3 number digit. In this chapter we will discuss on 3 number digit multiplication by standard method. Now we can solve with multiplier below part. Multiplier have 3 number 1, 2 and 3. One by one we will take. One by one we will take and multiply with the multiplicand number. It means firstly we will take the 5 and multiply with the 5, 2, 3. Secondly we will take the 2 and multiply with the 5, 2, 3. And thirdly we will take the 1 and multiply by the 5, 2, 3. Now 5 multiply by 325 multiply by 5. You can do the another part of your worksheet. 5 multiply by 5. It's also like this. 5 5s are 25. 5 is there and 2 is carry. 5 2s are 10. Add by 2 is 12. And carry is 1. 5 3s are 15 and add by 1. It's 16. Resultant, your product is 1625. 1625. And you already know that the standard method of 2 digit या 1 digit, we can do the cross sign on the first digit of first multiplicand. Okay. Now second number is to multiply with the 325. Now we can say 325 multiply by 2. Now 2 5s are 10, carry is 1. 2 2s are 4 and add by 5. 2 3s are 6. What is resultant? 650. Now okay, cross we will take and then 650. And now the third digit number we will multiply, then we will take the 2 cross in this way. First column 1 cross and second column second cross. Okay. Now we will discuss on one number multiply by 325. 325 multiply by 1. Every number when we multiply by 1, its product also is same number, because 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. It's also same number. Now we can write this 5, 2 and 3. We can take the number in this serial. First 5, second 2 and third. Now it have no number, then we will take the 0. It have no number. Now we will add all the 3 rows and find the product. 5 cross and cross means 0. 5 also 5. 2 0 is also 0. 6 5 11 and also 5 16. 16 6 is take and 1 is carry. 1 and 1 2 and 6 8. 8 and 2 10 and 1 is also carry. Now 1 and 3, because they are 0. 1 and 3 is also 4. Our product, our resultant is this. We will find the how much money? 14,605 rupees in one day. Now you can discuss on these multiplication way, standard form of multiplication. Now you already do the multiply with a 3-digit number. Now today's your homework. Your homework page number 13. if you go with page number 13, upper part of this page, example number 1 and 2, you can solve itself. Example, multiply both these number. 777 777 multiply by 222, and second 981 multiply by 321. Now, thank you.